Concrete contributes roughly 8% to global greenhouse gas emissions, but new solutions are currently being developed to tackle this issue. Innovate UK, in partnership with carbon-limiting technologies, are developing an advanced market commitment. This will provide a practical framework to unlock finance which will accelerate the scale-up of these new solutions by making firm commitments to buy novel low-carbon concretes when they are available. As part of this programme, Innovate UK has supported projects with the potential for radical carbon savings. We'd like to share their stories.
We need more environmentally friendly, lower carbon materials. And at the scale at which concrete and cementitious materials are being used, we need alternative solutions of lesser impact.
The idea for this innovation project dates back several years. It was calculated back then that approximately 5 million cubic meters of excavated material would be generated just for the tunneling operations, and we're trying to find ways how to manage that because it is a logistics and sustainability and a cost problem as well. It was conceived that we could potentially use this excavated material as calcined clay in the project. So that was the eureka moment, and from an idea it evolved to a multidisciplinary innovation project.
So we're in the Wilson Euroterminal site of SCS JV, the Skanska Costa Strada joint venture, and this is where all the conveyor belts are ending. The conveyor belts are coming from our tunneling. They're following the TBM, the tunnel boring machines. All the arisings coming from the mining of this are going on the conveyor belt, and they all end up in this site behind me, where we will load them on trains and send them out.
The clay that we're working on in this project is lower quality clay, which means it was not popular when we were starting. But now we revealed that it's possible to use these lower quality materials to produce good quality concrete. This has really increased the popularity of the material and the interest in research and application.
We expect at least 50% reduction compared to a Portland cement mix. We got a consortium consisting of academics, industry representatives, and they're all working for the same goal: to optimize concrete mixes, use London clay as supplementary cementitious material in concrete, replacing Portland cement. So the Decarbonising concrete program allowed us to become the demonstrator site, so we can calcine the clay, produce the concrete mixes, produce the concrete, and actually use it on site. And this is what the industry needs for innovations, and this is great. So the advanced market commitment has the benefit that it will show the wider industry that there is an appetite for innovation and innovative products. Now, what it also does, it brings together clients, designers, contractors, insurers. This will ensure that the innovations that are coming out will be used and there will be consent from everyone, because it's not a one person deciding to do this. It's a collaboration between all of us.
The opportunity to have this tangible contact and contribution to the things that really give rise to the environmental impacts, to the emissions, and be able to work on more sustainable alternatives actively that are not just locally useful for our own project, but for the wider construction industry.